Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your Walmart account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Walmart account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in the address walmart.com over here and hit on enter. And on the next step, you'll be on the home page of Walmart. Now, in order to log into your Walmart account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the sign in account button available for us. Click on that sign in account button. And again, click on the sign in or create account button over here. And after that, you'll be over here on the login or the sign up panel of the Walmart, where if you have guys, first you'll be required to enter your email address with which you want to sign in or with which you have already created an account on the Walmart. But guys, if you have used a new email address, you will be going through the sign up process through the same panel over here. So guys, if you're entering your email address, click on continue. On the next step, if you have a new account, you will be going through the sign in process. But if you have an old account, on the next step, either you will be required to enter your password or a verification code will be sent to you on your email. Receive that code, enter it over here on the next step, and you'll be signed into your Walmart account on your computer. And with that being said, guys, this is how you log into your Walmart account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.